submit a letter of representation, but I
Okay,
represent to the.
have Mr. Well,
He's here.
he can come up here for one of his cases.
Come on up, Mr. Terrence.
No, he has to wait for his other attorney on the second case.
Yes, sir.
Are we not looking to wrap both of these up together?
You got two different lawyers.
Which is not heard a couple weeks ago, so this week.
Okay.
3 probate cases are waiting on me.
Okay, this is cause number 330-962. Case of Solid State of Texas versus Philip Michael Engel. We have Mr. Philip Michael Engel, President of course. Mr. Engel, is that your full name?
Yes, sir. That is my full name.
How are you doing, Mr. Engel?
I'm great, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Engel. You're here. Well, you, Mr. Larry Dowden has stated that you hired him. However, he hadn't submitted a letter of representation to
Yes,
the
sir.
court. It has to be e-file. And so at this time, your case is going to be reset. I've reset in 60 days. And you have to sign for the reset.
Yes,
And
sir.
that'll give Mr. Dowden an opportunity to get the letter
Yes, sir.
in court. Now you have a second case, so you're represented by Attorney Bruce Smith. So you're gonna have to wait for Attorney Bruce Smith to come to handle the second case, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can sign the letter the reset,
Yes, sir.
and then you can have a seat.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Send me an email and I'll send you the recommendations I made. I sent you this recommendation on both these cases. to Bruce Smith.
Our next case is cause number 331-362, case of Solid State of Texas versus Nicholas Devante. Well, let me do this. Let me do Mr. Kelly first, okay. Next case is cause number 331-876, a case of Solid State of Texas versus DeAndre Jalen Kelly. We have Mr. DeAndre Jalen Kelly, who's present in court. Mr. Kelly, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Kelly?
I'm all right. So,
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Kelly, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney James Paget, who is appearing via Zoom. Attorney Paget, how are you doing?
Doing well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning. State is represented by Attorney Kathleen Nelson. Attorney Nelson, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor, thank you.
Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Mr. Kelly's case?
Your Honor, I'll need 30 days on Mr. Kelly's case. I have received all the discovery, and Mr. Kelly and I have an appointment set up for this Friday to review discovery in detail, and we will be able to make an announcement if you would just give us a regular reset.
Okay, give us a date. Okay, this case will be reset to July 15th, 2022. Mr. Paget, your reset will be sent to you, and Mr. Kelly, you can get your reset here in court. You're gonna stand on the X in front of our court body, and once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Next
Thank you,
case,
Your Honor.
you're welcome. Next case is cause number 331-362. Case is style of State of Texas versus Nicholas Devante Eaglin. Mr. Eaglin is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Eaglin, you can take your mic off of mute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Eaglin, how are you doing?
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Eaglin, you are represented in this case by your attorney, Attorney James Paget. Attorney Paget, what is your, well, the state is represented by Attorney Tommy Coleman. Attorney Coleman, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor.
And Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Mr. Eagle's case?
Your Honor, Mr. Eagle's been accepted into the pretrial diversion program. So I am not certain. I want to say that they just had a signing. So I think it might be August before the next signing.
Okay, okay, so
Unless
we're
I'm
gonna
mistaken.
reset it when? Okay, so this case is going to be reset to August 12th of 2022. Mr. Eaglin, your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your recess. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman.
Yes, sir.
You're free to go. Again, this case is reset to August 12th of 2022. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. And Mr. Paget, I think these were this is your last case. You're free to go as well. Your reset will be sent to you and you have a blessed day.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Next case is cause number 330270. Case is style of State of Texas versus Nyasha Patrice Frank. Cause number 330270. Ms. Frank is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Frank, you could take your mic off of mute.
Hello,
How are you doing, Ms. Frank?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Frank, you're represented in your case by your attorney Joe Vasquez, who's also appearing via Zoom. Attorney Vasquez, how are you doing?
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Attorney Vasquez, what is your announcement in Ms. Frank's case?
Your Honor, may we have another reset announcement? Discovery is not complete in that case.
Okay. What?
July 15th.
Okay, it's gonna be reset to July 15th of 2022. Ms. Frank, your bondsman and your attorney will be given notice of your reset. Stay in contact with your bondsman and your attorney. Your case has been reset to July 15th of 2022. This will conclude your case. You're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Vasquez, your reset will be sent to you. You're also free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
Thank you. This is cause number 330248. Case is style of State of Texas versus Amber Danae Croft.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Croft, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Croft, in this case, your case was reset for you to hire an attorney. Have you hired your attorney?
Not yet. I mean, I have one, Dustin, Hoffman, I think.
Galmore, that's on,
Yeah,
was that
yeah.
on a different case? It's not on this case, is it?
It should be. That was the one I was gonna.
Have you hired him?
No, I've talked to him.
Okay, so
but
you
I-
have not hired him.
I have not hired him. It's
Okay,
a money thing.
well, you have to hire him first.
Yeah.
Okay,
But I was gonna see, could I get it reset for however long you choose to hire him?
for how long I choose to hire him?
I mean, how long?
No, how
I'm trying to
long,
say,
let
can
me
I get
ask you this
reset
question.
again?
How long do you need to hire Mr. Galmore?
Oh gosh, I wanna say 60, but I mean, if that's
Okay,
too
let's
long,
give him,
then-
yeah, okay, we'll reset it for 60 days.
August 12th.
Okay, this case is gonna be reset for August 12th. You can stand on the X in front of our coordinator. She'll give you a reset. Once you get the reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Jeffrey Ostos or Ostos, you please come forward. This is cause number 330612, case of style of state of Texas versus Jeffrey Nathan Ostos. Mr. Ostos, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Ostos?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ostos, your case was reset for you to hire an attorney as well. Have you hired your attorney?
I was here because, remember we had said that I can bring that I can apply for an attorney here.
Have you said, so you want to apply for a court appointed attorney?
Yes, you told me that I couldn't because of.
Oh, okay, you applied before, but we looked at your income and your expenses and you didn't qualify.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you talked to any attorneys?
I have.
You have, how many attorneys have you talked to?
I talked to like 3 or 4.
Okay,
They're pretty expensive. You know?
well, and so do you need more time to hire an attorney?
Yes, I do.
You do? How much more time do you need?
I'll say 60 days.
60? Okay, we're gonna reset you for 60 days. Okay, your case is gonna be reset, is that August 12th? Case is gonna be reset to August 12th. You're gonna step on the 4X. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Okay, next case is Jeffrey Allen Fox. Cause number 331978. Mr. Fox is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Fox, you can take your mic off of mute. Mr. Fox, how are you doing?
Doing fine, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning. And Mr. Fox, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Dustin Galmore, who is also appearing via Zoom. Attorney Galmore, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Attorney Galmore, what is your announcement in Mr. Fox's case?
Your Honor, we just need one additional announcement date to finish going over the discovery.
How much time do you need?
Just normal resetting.
Okay. What is it?
7:15.
Okay, this case is gonna be reset to July 15 of 2022. Mr. Galmore, your reset will be sent to you. And Mr. Fox, stay in contact with your attorney. Your case has been reset to July 15 of 2022 at 9 a.m. This will conclude your case. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, and Mr. Galmore, I think this is your only case, is that correct?
It is, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, you're free to go as well and you have a blessed day. Your reset will be sent to you.
All right, you too. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Hello?
Mr. Johnson, would you please put your mic on mute?
No, sir, we did not.
Say,
Okay,
put it on mute.
yeah, put it on mute. We're waiting for your attorney to arrive.
All right.